Students, let us start Mathematics 1 Practical 2. Aim of the practical is to solve a puzzle of a two-digit number using simultaneous equations. Material: pen, pencil you will require for calculation. We have to make a puzzle of two-digit number using simultaneous equations. Means we have to use two variables. Procedure is given. First, think any two-digit number in your mind. According to it, frame two simultaneous equations using two variables. Okay. Solve the equations, find the values of the variables, and then find the solution of the given equation and given question, so that we will get the assumed two-digit number. Okay, for example, here I gave these conditions for two-digit number. Okay, so this part will not be given in the paper at the time of practical exam. At the time of practical exam, only this procedure is given. You have to assume the two-digit number in your mind, and according to that you have to make puzzle. Okay, so let us see calculation. Find the two-digit number thought by me from the following conditions. First, the digit at the tens place is 5 less than twice the digit at unit place. And second condition, the sum of the original number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 176. Followed the condition? Okay. So student, according to these conditions, we have to find the two-digit number assumed by me. Okay. Let us solve this puzzle. Okay. We have to find out two-digit number. You have to write calculation. A two-digit number contains units place digit and tens place digit. So, let we have to assume unit place digit be x and tens place digit be y. Okay. Let units place digit be x and tens place digit be y. Okay. Therefore, original two-digit number according to their place values, we can create two-digit number. Tens place digit is having place value multiplied by 10, and the digit is y. So, its place value is 10y. Plus units place digit is x. So, 10y plus x is our original two-digit number. Okay. In second condition, we require the number obtaining interchanging the digits. So, number obtained by interchanging the digits. That means here the digits you have to interchange. This unit place digit will come on tens place and tens place digit will come on units place. So the number you will get 10x plus y. Okay. Now in the question, two conditions given. From that we have to create two equations. According to the first condition. So the first condition is given. The digit at the tens place is 5 less than twice the digit at units place. So digit at tens place. Which digit we assumed at tens place? Y. Wherever is word comes, we have to put equal to. 5 less than twice the digit at units place. So twice the digit at units place. 2x minus 5. Okay, so this we got first equation. Now what we will do to write it in standard form? Take y on this side and 5 on this side. So we will get the equation 2x minus y equal to 5. See, minus 5 comes here and get plus 5 and y on this side get minus 5. So 2x minus y equal to 5. This is our first equation. Then according to the second condition, so second condition is given. The sum of the original number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 176. The original number is 10y plus x and this is original number, and number obtained by interchanging the digits is 10x plus y. The sum of these two numbers is 176. 10y plus x, this is original number, plus 10x plus y is interchanging the digits, number obtained by interchanging the digits. This sum is 176. Now we have to solve this. We have to open the brackets. Okay. Now like algebraic expressions addition, we can add here x plus 10x, we will get 11x plus 10y plus y 11y equal to 176. Now here each term is divisible by 11. So dividing both the sides of equation by 11. Each term we have to divide by 11. So 11x divided by 11 we will get x. 11y divided by 11 y. 176 divided by 11. First the quotient is 11 ones are 11. 17 minus 11 6. Then carry this 6. So 11 6 are 66. So x plus y is equal to 16. This is our equation number 2. Here we got first equation 2x minus y equal to 5 and x plus y equal to 16 is second equation. Now variable y is having same coefficient and it is having plus minus sign. So we will add these two equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. So first equation is 2x minus y equal to 5 plus x plus y equal to 16. Minus y plus y get cancelled. 2x plus x, 3x equal to 16 plus 5, 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 7. We got value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. So what we will do? Substitute x equal to 7 either in first equation or in second equation. So which equation is easy? Second equation. Okay. So substituting x equal to 7 in equation 2. So second equation is x plus y equal to 16. X we got 7. So 7 plus y is equal to 16. Therefore y is equal to 16 minus 7. Therefore is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. So we got two variables. Now we will find the original number. Therefore original number 10y plus x. So 10 into 9 plus 7. 10 9s are 90 plus 7. So 90 plus 7, 97. So conclusion we have to write. Two-digit number thought by me. Two-digit number thought by me is 97. Followed? This way you have to do second practical. So again I am telling you students, these conditions will not be given at the time of practical exam. These conditions you have to create your own. First you have to think any two-digit number and according to that you can frame the question. Followed? So this is Mathematics 1 Practical 2. Let us see Mathematics 1 Practical 3. Aim of the practical is to prepare a quadratic equation from the given values of alpha and beta on the card by finding the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Some cards prepared and on that card alpha and beta values are given. Here I gave some values, from that you have to prepare quadratic equation. Material required. You will require pen, pencil, scale to draw the table. Okay. So this table you have to draw in the observation. Columns are value of alpha, beta, then you have to find alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, and then you have to create the quadratic equation. As you know the formula for quadratic equation, x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Equal to 0 you have to write, then only the equation is completed. Okay. Now let us see the first example. Value of alpha is 6 and beta is minus 3. So you have to find alpha plus beta. So you have to add these numbers. 6 plus minus 3. 6 plus minus 3. Plus into minus, minus. So 6 minus 3. The value is 3. Alpha plus beta value you got 3. You can directly write the value. No problem. Then alpha into beta. You have to multiply this. 6 into minus 3. Positive multiplied by negative, product is negative, and 6 3s are 18. This is the value of alpha into beta. These two values we have to substitute in this equation so that we can create the quadratic equation. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 3. So here 3x plus alpha into beta. So alpha into beta value we got minus 18. So write in bracket equal to 0. Then you have to write the final equation. Therefore, x square minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is the final quadratic equation. Okay. Next. Alpha equal to minus 6, beta equal to 7. Then alpha plus beta minus 6 plus 7. Minus and plus. We have to do subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. And 7 is greater, it is having plus sign, so the addition is plus 1. Alpha into beta minus 6 into 7. Negative multiplied by positive, negative. 6 7s are 42. Then quadratic equation. X square minus 1x plus alpha into beta is minus 42 equal to 0. Then write the final equation. X square. Now 1x we never wrote. We wrote minus x plus into minus, minus 42 equal to 0. So this is the final quadratic equation. Next, alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 5. So alpha plus beta, 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Alpha into beta, 4 into 5. 5 4s are 20. Quadratic equation. X square minus alpha plus beta 9x plus alpha into beta 20 equal to 0. So here no need to write the final equation. This is only the final equation. Okay. X square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Next. Alpha plus beta we have to find. Alpha minus 2, beta minus 7. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 plus minus 7. Both are negative numbers, so we have to add them, and their addition is minus 9. Then alpha into beta, minus 2 multiplied by minus 7. Negative multiplied by negative, positive. 7 2s are 14. Okay. So quadratic equation is x square minus, it is given in the formula minus sign, but the alpha plus beta value is minus 9. So write in bracket minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. Now we have to open this bracket. Therefore x square minus into minus plus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. This is final quadratic equation. Last one. Alpha minus 10, beta 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2, minus 8. Alpha into beta, minus 10 into 2, minus 20. So x square minus 8x plus minus 20 equal to 0. So x square plus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. This is finally followed. So student, at the time of practical exam these values may be changed, and according to that you have to create quadratic equation. This is our practical number 3 for mathematics